Welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk, here with a 1947 Ford. Boy, that thing got a big battery, big engine, big bolts, big everything. And it's still around. Can you say that about your electrical car? Big steering wheel too. Dang, everything's big in here. Well, except for the trunk, it's small. I guess it makes room for the back seat. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, I don't think I can get it on film. Oh, there you go. See? See? Oh, that is a shame. They're probably on their way to fix it, though. It's not easy fixing these old cars, so please, 100% respect them that have restored them. Respect the car. And most of all, enjoy, 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 enjoy.